Hello and welcome to this video course on how to generate pre-launch buzz for your product launch with these 4 powerful videos. This of course is video number 1, which is the introduction to product pre-launching with videos. Now I want to start by saying that the primary goal for this course, just to recap, is to show you how to script out each and every one of these videos according to what you're selling. Obviously, I'm not going to know exactly what you're selling, but I'm going to do my best to give you an outline that you can use to customize it to your product or service. Now, before we get started, I want to give you a quick overview of what's inside this video course. Video number 1 is, of course, this video. Video number 2 is planning your pre-launch. I wanted to make this video to make sure that we are on the same page. Video number 3, we're going to talk about what exactly needs to be done. And I'm going to show you a mind map. We're going to map things out so that you understand visually how things work beyond just the 4 videos. What do you do? How do you get people to opt in? Where do you point them and all that? We're going to map everything out so you have a better idea on the general bird's eye view. Video number 4 is the 4-step video blueprint. We'll give you a quick overview of the 4 videos themselves. And of course, we'll dive in video number 5. We'll do video number 1. Video number 6, we'll do video number 2. Video number 7, we'll do the blueprint for number 3. And of course, number 8, we'll do video number 4. And of course, last but not least, we have video number 9, which is getting your video created. So once you have an idea of what it should look like for videos 1, 2, 3, and 4, we want to give you a better direction on how you can get your videos created, either by yourself or you can hire a professional video spokesperson. Where do you go for that and all of that? All right. So let's talk about what you need to have in hand to get started. Obviously, you're going to need to have your product or service. And then, of course, you're going to need to have money to either hire a video spokesperson, someone to create a video for you, or you'll need to have video software to do it yourself. All right, so with that said, let's move on to video number 2.